Welcome back. In the last lecture, we learned that a data frame is a table with labeled rows and columns. In this lecture, we'll cover the most common way to construct a data frame, using a Python dictionary where keys become column names and values become the data within those columns. 1. Creating data frame from a dictionary of lists. This is the simplest and most intuitive method. You organize your data into a Python dictionary where each key is a column name, and the corresponding value is a list of data for that column. When passed to the pd.dataframe constructor, Pandas creates columns from the keys and assigns a default numeric index to the rows. Two, specifying column order. By default, Pandas often maintains the insertion order of the dictionary keys, but for guaranteed consistency, or to reorder the columns, you can pass an explicit list of column names to the columns argument. 3. Assigning custom row indices. Just like with the series, you can assign custom labels to the rows by using the index argument. Here, we use a 1, 2, 3 index instead of the default 0, 1, 2, which can be useful for human-readable indexing. To summarize, data frames are highly flexible upon creation. Our next lecture 36.10, Access columns and rows. See you there.